This video is initiated by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School for students of senior KG. My name is Mamta Bhatia from Pre-Primary Maharashtra State Board. Subject Maths. Topic Subtraction. Student, in this video, you all will learn to subtract from two-digit number. Let's begin. The given number with two digits, that is right side ones place as well as left side tens place. Now this you all can see the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Now minus 4. From 4 ball you have to minus 4 ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 0. This 0 you have to write in ones place. Now this one will come down as the numbers are not there. So this one you have to write in tens place. The number with two-digit number, that is right side ones place and left side tens place. As you can see the stars. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 star. From 5 star minus 2. So I will minus 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. I will write 3 in one place. Now 2 minus 1. So I will draw 2 star. 1, 2. 2 star. Now minus 1. So I will minus 1 star. So this one I will write in tens place. So the answer is 13. The number with two-digit number, that is right side ones place as well as left side tens place. This you can see the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lollipops. From 7 lollipops, I will minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I will write in one place and 2 minus 1. So I will draw 2 lollipops. 1, 2. 2 lollipops. From 2 lollipops I will minus 1. So I will write this one in tens place. So answer is 14. The given number with two digit, that is right side one place as well as left side tens place. Now 2 minus 0. 2. You have to write 2 in one place. Now this one will come down. You have to write 1 in tens place. So the answer is 12. Given number with two digit, that is right side one place as well as left side tens place. 3. Now these are the trees. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. I will minus 1 tree. So 1, 2. 2 you have to write in one place. Now 1 minus 1. So I will draw 1 tray. And minus 1. I will minus 1. So there is 0. So 0 you have to write in tens place. Children, now let's solve this practice sheet. In this slide, there are 4 examples. The examples are having 2-digit number. First, you try to solve one place, that is right side, and then left side, that is tens place, as I have explained you all in earlier slides. Thank you children. Stay fit.